Hello and welcome to Group 2. This is our lab assistant Shobri, that is me Valencia, my friend Zidane, Farhan and also Andi. So the tools and the materials that we need will be 3D printer, scraper, cutting plier and also the filament. Next is about the lab safety. And as you can see from our group photo, all of us use an apron called PPE or personal protective equipment. You may ask, how do I wear it? So the first thing that you have to do is put the head drawstring over your head and make sure that your front body is covered well. Find the drawstring and fasten the buckle around your waist, and that's the correct way to wear the apron or PPE. Next is how to use the 3D printer. So the first thing that you have to do is switch on the 3D printer, and then we save our 3D file from laptop to SD card. Then we need to do some calibration by clicking the tools option, then click the axis option and do some setting on the nozzle in all of the corners. Next, level and align your 3D printer bed with a nozzle. A level bed ensures optimal adhesion and thickness of the first print layer. Paper can be used as a filler gauge to level the bed. The paper method involves sliding piece of paper between the nozzle and the bed at different points and adjusting the bed screws until you feel a slight resistance. After we do some calibration, we are going to go to tools and then do some preheat to warm up the 3D printer. After the preheating process is complete, we are going to press tools option and filament in and inserting the filament into the 3D printer. After the 3D printer is set, then we put the SD card into the 3D printer and starts to print. Then all we have to do is wait until the 3D printing is finished, then let it cool completely. Last, by using a scraper, remove the output from the bed and turn off the 3D printer.